This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Go straight to the place listing on Google Maps. Once there, choose the Photos tab or tap Add a Photo to upload. Make sure the image meets basic quality. Clear, upright, no heavy filters. If you manage the place, switch to the Business Profile view to access Manager options. Start by selecting the new photo file from your device, camera roll, or files, and confirm the upload. This initiates Google's processing and review workflow. Once the photo uploads, here's how to control visibility and priority. If you manage the business profile, go to Photos in Business Profile and set a cover photo or choose a specific image for interiors. That forces prominence. If you're a regular user, upload the better image. Google will rank photos by relevance and recency, so a higher quality new photo usually surfaces. Additionally, edit the image metadata or add a descriptive caption to improve how Google categorizes, and finish by confirming the image appears in the listing and that the cover change stuck. Give Google 24 to 72 hours for processing and ranking. This is normal. If the photo doesn't show, clear app cache, refresh the page, or sign out and back in. Alternatively, re-upload from a desktop browser. If an incorrect or inappropriate photo remains, use the report option, or, if you manage the business, request support via Business Profile. This forces a review and can remove offending images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.